Welcome to TES, Technology Engineering Services, your competent partner in engineering technologies. Only a lack of imagination limits the doing. Engineering and design. Design and development according to customer specifications, assistance in material selection and execution. We accompany our clients from the initial idea to the finished product with a high degree of flexibility. 3D designs, engineering drawings, designs with prototyping, pilot series and production can be commissioned. Mold design and manufacturing. Tools for injection molding, die casting and extrusions. TES support you from the first idea to the finished product. Customized injection molding tools are developed and manufactured by TES in-house. For samplings and production, TES can access to nearby production facilities. Manufacturing and assembling. Contract work in small and large quotas. TES help you to optimize and assemble your products. Mechanical or electronics our team can handle in time. No monthly orders required. Our employees are specially trained to European quality standards and are looking for our customers' products and materials with the best quality price ratios. With a high degree of flexibility, TES focuses on being able to respond quickly and efficiently to the current problems of today with solutions. The right idea at the right time is a key to it. Besides a unique service, TES understands that each client and each project stands on its own and should be treated that way. Steady flow of information about job status, changes or flexible and rapid implementation for revisions is TES standard. TES offers you fast, cost-effective and reliable services of the highest quality.